Hi guys, I actually got a good example why it's not so interesting to have all the repos open. Maybe you have not seen the past videos, but we're on Xerolinux. The ArcoLinux tweak tool present lets you take control of anything based on Arch, and in this case we've installed LeftWM and we installed the theme, and it would be business as usual. This could be my distro to work on, right? But I wanted to install sudo pacman-s ArcoLinux Pamac-all. I wanted to install that, and it just hit me. This is a great example to show you that sometimes it matters to not open up, here it is, repos. Mixing repos is good, it's okay, but have the reflex to shut them down again. So okay, let's go to the ArcoLinux tweak tool, or of course to pacman.conf, and edit those files. Say not this one, for just for now, right? So here the mirrors, here's the pacman, and say no. The files I need, the right version I need, is not coming from Nemesis, is not coming from endeavourOS, not coming from Xerolinux, none of them. This is the ArcoLinux bit, so no problem there. And this is the ArcoLinux bit. We need the applications, the right versions, from not Xerolinux, but ArcoLinux. So there's a mix between these files and those files, which you will never resolve until you get the reflex. Oops, right? I'm mixing versions in here. So sudo pacman-s yyuu, and this answers a little bit the question of, can I just mix these things? Well, one of the videos already told you what I would do is open it up, install my kernel coming from garuda, Chaotix repo, and shutting it down again. Stay in control, know where all the things are coming from. If you update, check it out, right? Where is it coming from? All right, so we have now XCB Proto, which we needed so desperately, right? But now we can try to install ArcoLinux Pamac-all again. These were all issues up here. Let's see if this works. So now it's extra, meaning ArcoLinux. It's ArcoLinux, fine. Again Arch, again Arch, again ArcoLinux. And see how everything installs just fine. This has to do with the fact that I've been trying on this machine forever. Why is it not installing? Because I was mixing repos, and that's the message I want to get out here. So, okay, that was the issue, right? That was the issue. Pamac-manager, there you are. Everything available, everything working. But just these repos now. There's still one that's still there. But that's okay. That's just for installation from Xerolinux. All right, that's it. Share the knowledge, right? Tell people, oh, watch out. Sometimes it really does matter if packages are in different repos and they have different versions, or different content, right? Versions, content, then things will go, it will break. All right, cheers.